Very good morning, students. In the previous class, that is day before yesterday's video, we discussed about sentence. Okay, we learned about sentence. What is a sentence, how it is formed, and what are the parts in the sentence, in how many parts the sentence is divided and what are there. So in today's class we will be discussing about kinds of sentence. Okay, we will be discussing about kinds of sentence. Kinds of sentence is nothing but the types in which the sentences are divided. Okay, totally there are 4 types. There are totally 4 kinds of sentences. As you can see, first one is declarative sentence. The first one is declarative sentence. D-E-C-L-A-R-A-T-I-V-E. Declarative. Okay, the first one is declarative sentence. And the second one is interrogative sentence. Okay, I-N-T-E-R-R-O-G-A-T-I-V-E. Interrogative. Okay, the second one is interrogative sentence. And the third one is imperative sentence. I-M-P-E-R-A-T-I-V-E. Imperative sentence. S-E-N-T-E-N-C-E. Sentence. Imperative sentence. And the fourth one, the final one is exclamatory sentence. E-X-C-L-A-M-A-T-O-R-Y. Exclamatory sentence. Okay, these are the kinds of the sentence. Okay, these are the kinds of the sentence. Totally there are 4 kinds of sentences. First one is declarative sentence. The second one is interrogative sentence. Third one is imperative sentence. And the fourth one is exclamatory sentence. Understood all of you? There are totally 4 kinds of sentence. Okay, now what we will do means, what we are going to do means, we are going to learn about them one by one. So as you have seen there, the first one is declarative sentence. The first one is declarative sentence. Okay, here the first one is declarative sentence. What do you mean by a declarative sentence? A declarative sentence is a sentence which gives a statement. Okay, which makes a statement or which gives information. Okay, a declarative sentence is a sentence which gives information or which makes a statement. Now let me write the definition. A declarative sentence, a declarative sentence makes a statement. A declarative sentence makes a statement or gives an information. Okay, here what is a declarative sentences? See, I am not going for the brief definition. Just to make you understand, I am using short understandable definitions. Okay, what is a declarative sentence? A declarative sentence makes a statement or gives an information. A declarative sentence, what it is, its work is to make a statement or to give an information. We will, in the other sense, you can also say, if you want to prolong it, a declarative sentence is a sentence which makes a statement or gives an information. Okay. For example, we'll see an example for the declarative sentence. Example. Tomorrow is a holiday. Tomorrow is a holiday. See, when you look at this sentence, example sentence, tomorrow is a holiday. So, what is said in this sentence? An information is given that tomorrow there is a holiday. Tomorrow, the day tomorrow is a holiday. Here, some information is given by these sentences. So, as it is giving some information, as it is declaring something, this sentence is called as declarative sentence. Okay, declarative sentence. For example, somebody is making another example we'll see here. I will go to zoo tomorrow. Okay, I will go to zoo tomorrow. I will go to zoo tomorrow. Okay, here he is giving information. He is giving information about himself that I will go to zoo tomorrow. He will go to zoo tomorrow. So in these two of the sentences, what is happening? Some information is given. Okay, some kind of information is given. So as these two sentences are giving the information, they come under declarative sentences. They are called as declarative sentences. Understood, all of you? So, here I will give you one more example. So, these are the two examples I have written here. She wants to become a teacher. Here we are saying about somebody that she wants to become a teacher. See, this sentence is doing both the works. She wants to become a teacher. This sentence is giving an information about somebody. Okay, if a question is asked, what does she want to become? So the answer will be she wants to become a teacher. Again, it is also a statement. She wants to become a teacher. She wants to become a teacher. We are giving a statement. This can also be taken as a statement. She wants to become a teacher. We are making a statement. We are in a crowd and I'm saying about somebody that she wants to become a teacher. Look, all of you, she wants to become a teacher. So, in that case, it is doing the work of a statement. Okay. In the first case, it is giving an information. In the second way, it is making a statement. Look, all of you, she wants to become a teacher. And in the second one, I am a student. I am a student. So, somebody is giving information about themselves that he is a student. I am a student. Again, if the way changes, the way of expressing changes, I'm a student. Understood? I'm a student. Okay. So the way of expressing, the way of expression changes the meaning of the sentence also. You can take it as an information also, you can take it as a statement also. Overall, what is a declarative sentence? A declarative sentence makes a statement or gives an information. You can say a declarative sentence makes a statement or gives an information. Here, she wants to become a teacher. It is making a statement. Somebody is making a statement to all. She wants to become a teacher. Again, somebody is giving an information. What does she want to become? A question is asked. She wants to become a teacher, it seems. That is information. That is statement. Okay. I am a student. Somebody asked, what do you do? So I am a student. I study. Again, I am a student. Understood? I am a student. Here he is making a statement that he is a student. I am a student. So, a declarative sentence makes a statement or gives an information. Okay, she wants to become a teacher. I am a student. So, this is the definition of declarative sentence. A declarative sentence makes a statement or gives an information. Example, she wants to become a teacher. I am a student. Okay. So here till here it is understood. Excuse me. So now second one, that is interrogative sentence. Second one, an interrogative sentence puts a question. Okay. So these are all the basics understood. So for your understanding, I am writing in a simple way, not like a definition. Okay, is that clear? So what is an interrogative sentence? What is the work of an interrogative sentence? An interrogative sentence puts a question. An interrogative sentence puts a question. Okay, example. Who are you? Okay, who are you? So, what is this? Who are you? It is a question. So, in simple, we can say that an interrogative sentence is a questioning sentence. An interrogative sentence is a sentence which puts a question. Okay, here in the simple definition you can see, in a simpler definition, an interrogative sentence puts a question. Okay, an interrogative, what is the work of the interrogative sentence? An interrogative sentence puts a question. So, example, who are you? This is an example of interrogative question. Who are you? This is an example of which sentence? Interrogative sentence. Another example, how old are you. How old are you? How old are you? In this sentence also, what is the sentence doing here? What is the work done by the sentence? It is asking a question. What is the question? It is asking about the age of a person. Here it is asking about who is that person. Okay. So you can say that all the questioning sentences are interrogative sentences. A sentence which puts a question, okay, which puts a question is called as an interrogative sentence. And always remember one thing, in every case the interrogative sentence will end with question mark. Okay, the interrogative sentence will end with question mark. Remember that. Where there is question mark, you need to understand that it is a questioning sentence. But questioning sentence is nothing but an interrogative sentence. Understood all of you? So what is the meaning of interrogative sentence? Means an interrogative sentence puts a question. Okay, an interrogative sentence, what it does? It puts a question. Example, who are you? It is asking the person who is he or who is her. Who is she? Sorry. How old are you? Here it is asking about the age of a person. Okay. All the questioning sentences are called as interrogative sentences. What is an interrogative sentence? An interrogative sentence is a sentence which puts a question. Understood all of you? As an interrogative sentence is a sentence which puts a question. So we have learned about two kinds of sentences in this video. First one is declarative sentence and second one is interrogative sentence. What is a declarative sentence? A declarative sentence is a sentence which makes a statement or gives an information. Okay, which makes a statement or gives an information. And the second one, interrogative sentence. What do you mean by interrogative sentence? An interrogative sentence puts a question. Okay, an interrogative sentence is a sentence which puts a question. And what is the rule to get to know about the interrogative sentence, to find the to find that the sentence is interrogative? The interrogative sentence will always end with question mark. There will be a question mark at the end of the sentence. So easily you can find out that it is an interrogative sentences. So these are the two kinds of sentences we have learned in this video. About the next two we'll learn in other video. Thank you.